Hello, good day everyone. This is my report. Ginger. Ginger scientific name. The scientific name of ginger is Zingiber officinale. Ginger originated in maritime Southeast Asia and was likely domesticated first by the Austronesian people. It was transported with them throughout the Indo-Pacific during the Austronesian expansion, 5000 BP, reaching as far as Hawaii. Botanical description, classification and name. Kingdom is Plantae. Division Magnoliophyta. Class Dileopsida. Order Zingiberales. Family Zingiberacea. Genus Zingiber. Species Zingiber officinales. Var. Roscoe. Soil and climate requirements. Ginger can be grown in flat to slightly rolling areas with well-drained, light to medium textured soil height in organic matter, and pH of 6.8 to 7. It can grow in elevations of up to 1,500 meters above sea level, with about 200-300 cm annual rainfall evenly distributed throughout the year, and a temperature range of 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. It grows well even with 25 to 40% shadings. Cultural practices. Site selection. Select a site with consistent rainfall throughout the growing season and with a drier period of the end of the growing season, before and during harvest. If a site has excessive rainfall, the waterlogged soil may foster soil-borne diseases such as root rot and bacterial wilt. Land preparation. Spread poultry manure at the rate of 10 and mix well with soil 2 weeks before planting. Open furrows about 10 cm in deep and 90 cm apart. Apply basal PNK at planting and lightly cover with soil. Place rhizome 15 cm apart in furrows for immature ginger and 20 cm apart for mature ginger. Seedbed preparation. Prepare raised beds of any desired length measuring 1 meter wide and 20 cm height. Line sow the seed pieces 2 cm apart and cover with a mixture of compost and core dust. Water as needed. Transplant when the sprouts are about 1 to 2 cm long. Planting and transplanting of ginger. What is the proper planting of ginger? They are best suited planted away from large roots and ideally should be sheltered from wind and moisture. If you are growing your ginger in a pot, ensure you pick one that is at least 30 cm and 12 deep. It growing in the ground, plant each growing ginger leaves 20 cm 8 apart. How do you transplant a ginger plant? Using a trowel, dig a hole equal to the depth and twice the width of the root ball of the ginger plant you are transplanting. Position the ginger plant in the hole. The top of the root ball should be level with the soil surface. Avoid the planting it too deep as rhizome needs exposure to air. Thinning and replanting. How do you thin out ginger plants? Selective pruning is your method of choice. Begin by removing and dead or damaged branches, then strategically thin out to improve light penetration and airflow. Always cut just above to leaf node or bud. And remember, less is more. Over pruning can stress your ginger. Rhizomes can be soaked overnight in warm water before planting. Place the rhizomes about an inch deep in warm soil, whether in container or in the ground. Ginger grows only when soil temperature is over 68 Fahrenheit and grows best with soil temperature around 77 Fahrenheit, with the growth buds pointing upward. Healing up of ginger. Ginger needs to be healed, raising amount of soil around the base of the plant 3 times a year, starting with the first healing when the base of the stems turns from bright white to vivid pink. Of barring is a plowing of cultivating in a way that the soil is drawn away from the plants, usually in between the furrows, for the purpose of killing the weeds. Close window. Weed management. Ginger generally requires manual weeding during the it growth period. The frequency of subsequent weeding depends on weed density. Mulch with locally available materials such as coconut leaves or rice straw to suppress weed growth. Ginger takes up large amount of nutrients. Water management. Ginger requires 1,300 to 1,500 mm of water during its crop cycle. The critical stage for irrigation are during germination, rhizome initiation, 90 DAP, and rhizome development stage is 135 DAP. Fertilization of ginger. Ginger requires large amounts of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. The general fertilizer requirement is 180 kg HA and 180 kg HA or P 205 and 255 kg HA or K 20. Green wilt occurs early in the diseases cycle and precedes leaf yellowing. Ginger pest and disease management. Number 1. Bacterial wilt of ginger, Ralstonia solanacerium. Symptoms. Green wilt occurs early in the disease cycle and precedes leaf yellowing. Green ginger leaves roll and curl due to the water stress caused by the bacteria that block the vascular system of ginger stem. B. Leaves of infected plants turn yellow and the brown yellowing should not be confused with another disease, ginger causing similar symptoms, Fusarium yellow. C. Disease plant grows poorly and may be stunted and can decline rapidly and die before harvest. D. Routine rhizomes obtain discolored, water-soaked appearance of infected rhizome and stem vasculature, discoloration of vascular tissues. Management. Plant ginger in areas where water can easily drain while draining soil. B. Avoid planting during very wet weather as this promote dispersal of pathogens. C. Practice rotation of crops. Number 2. Rhizome roots. Fusarium spp or Pythium spp. These diseases favors warm, moist soils, spread primarily through use of infected seed species which may not show any outward signs of disease. Symptoms: stunted plant growth, yellow leaves and stem brown, discoloration of water conducting tissue within stem root, system rooted, mushy and turning black. Rooted rhizomes gives off a foul odor. Management. Plant ginger in well-drained soils. B. Keep fields weed-free and do not grow ginger for more than 1 year in same area. Use disease-free planting materials. Number 3. Bacterial soft fruit. Arwenia spp. Symptoms: light yellow lower lip tips, yellow leaves, drawing withered leaves. Management: regrowing of infected plants. Practice crop rotation. Plant ginger is in easily drained soil. Number 4. Root knot nematode melodygene spp. The symptoms is water-soaked lesions on roots. B. Galls on rhizome which can be up to 3.3 cm and 1 in diameter but are usually smaller. C. Stunted growth. D. Yellowing plants which wilt in hot weather. Management: plant nematode-free planting materials. Harvesting of ginger. Ginger can harvested by digging up the entire plants. Figure 2. Although it may be harvested at any stage of maturity, the best time is when the plant is 8 to 10 months old. After harvest, choose a rhizome for planting and replant them promptly. What is the post-harvest handling of ginger? The ginger intended for long-term storage should be washed immediately after the harvest, and then cured ginger should be scrubbed by hand or with soap bristled brush in clean water, sanitized with 150 ppm hypochlorous acid. What is the main nutrient ginger? Gingerol is the main bioactive compound in ginger. Is responsible for many of ginger medicinal properties of gingerol as powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects according to research. For instance, it may help to reduce oxidative stress which result from having too many free radicals in the body. What are the health benefits of ginger? Ginger is a popular spice with a host of health benefits. It can help to settle the stomach, relieve nausea and vomiting, and is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Ginger is also thought to boost the immune system, reduce muscle pain, and increase circulation. Ginger has antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. What are the industrial application of ginger? As it is abundantly available in the region, different products like dehydrated ginger, ginger oil, ginger aleuricin may be developed. Ginger oil is primarily used as a flavoring agent in a confectionery as well as in soft drinks. The ginger is also used for several medicinal purposes. What is the top producer of ginger in the Philippines? Cagayan Valley was the largest producer, 5,566 tons, followed by Calabarzon, 4,969, and Northern Mindanao, 4,029. Ginger is exported to Japan, Germany, Hong Kong, Britain, and Northern Ireland. Bureau of Agriculture Statistics BAS 2006. Source: The Philippines Food Composition Tables 1997. Old-fashioned ginger nut. Minutes approx. Biscuit recipe. Makes 35 to 36 biscuit. Ingredients: 285 gram, 2 cups self-raising flour, 70 gram, 1 to 2 cup soup brown sugar, 70 gram, 1 to 3 cup caster sugar, 5 ml and 1 stabs baking soda, 35 ml, 7 stabs ground ginger, 1,000 170 gram to 6 ounce salted butter, 15 ml 1 stabs golden syrup, 30 ml and 2 stab milk. How many varieties of ginger are there? But not all ginger is the same. There are around 150 different types of ginger, which grow mainly in Asia, but also in Latin America and some in Europe. What are the varieties of dry ginger? Himachal, Maran, Manantodi, Koropampadi, etc. are good varieties to prepare dry ginger. Rio de Janeiro, China, Waynad, Barada, etc. are good varieties for raw ginger. Thanks you for listening. And that's all. Thank you.